I had cracks in my two front teeth and a chip in this tooth right here. And so I came in and we went with the veneers, and I'm very satisfied. I lived in Minnesota, northern Minnesota, 90 miles from the Canadian border. So I didn't have the dental care there that I do now. I was going to a family reunion, and I was also going to my granddaughter's graduation in Minnesota, and I didn't want my teeth to look the way they did. So I had a lot of work that the doctor had to catch up with. So I came in and we looked at pictures, and the doctor helped me pick out the appropriate color so they weren't too white. It was Zip Zip, and they bring all the x-rays up when I come in, and you can see all your teeth and you know what they're doing. It's wonderful. Wondrous compared to what it used to be. The crack was so bad, I was afraid they'd crack and part of it would fall out actually. And because I had the crack in the one tooth for years. So it's a good feeling to know that they're taken care of and I don't have to worry about that anymore. I'm very thankful that he's fixed my teeth so that I'm relaxed now. I'm not worried that part of my tooth is going to fall out. He's made them look natural, and the process was easy, much more easy than I thought it was going to be. It means the world to me. It made me comfortable when I went to the family reunion and my granddaughter's graduation party. To smile with my new beautiful teeth means the world to me, around other people, family members, photos, etc.